Hey, I'm AD Dolphin, the CEO of Dherbs.com, and welcome to another edition of Fact or Fiction. Today, we're going to talk about arthritis. I've been getting tons of emails, so today we're going to find out what's fact and what's fiction. Dear AD, several years ago I was diagnosed with rheumatoid arthritis. It doesn't seem to be getting any better, so I don't see the point in trying to do something. Is it possible to improve the condition by making lifestyle changes? Or will I always experience pain no matter what? Thanks, Alvin. Alvin, you are in luck. By making a lifestyle change, this is definitely a fact. There's so many factors when you're talking about arthritis, but one factor I will definitely mention, cigarette smoke. Smoking cigarettes will definitely increase your risk in getting arthritis. So if you're smoking, stop it. Basically what it comes down to is this: the more you smoke, the more inflammation. The more inflammation, the more pain. So stop smoking. Another thing that can happen when it comes to arthritis that people don't really realize is your weight. If you're obese, you're definitely going to apply more pressure on your joints, therefore intensifying more inflammation. And like we said before, more inflammation, more pain. Look, this is probably one of the hardest parts for me to explain to people. I know you have pain, but if you don't exercise, believe it or not, the pain is going to continue. By working out, you're going to lessen the pain. Zero activity worsens the situation. So definitely find a way to work through your pain so we can get through this arthritis. So I know what you guys are thinking, like, what is the answer? How do I get rid of this arthritis? More exercise. I know it hurts, but you're gonna have to find a way to work through it. No smoking whatsoever. Let's definitely avoid that. Limit your drinking. Try to limit your drinking as much as you possibly can and lose weight. The exercising is also going to help you with that. But now here's one of the key ingredients. What are you going to put into your body? Try to eat foods with anti-inflammatory properties that will definitely improve upon your condition. And people don't know how important food is when it comes to inflammation. If you're really serious about getting rid of this arthritis, the one thing I would add is that we have an article. It's an article that's going to help you reduce your inflammation. So you'll learn how to maneuver inside the grocery store so you can eat the proper foods that's going to reduce the inflammation within your system. Next question. Hey AD, I just turned 30, but my joints feel like they're going on 73. I haven't been the healthiest in recent years. My activity levels decline. Is it possible that I'm starting to develop arthritis? Isn't that meant for people who are actually 73? Please help. Dave, based on the little information that you gave us, it is possible that you are experiencing arthritis. So this is a fact. Arthritis is all over the place. Everybody's being affected. 50% of people who are 65 and above are experiencing some form of arthritis. 300,000 infants, teens, children are experiencing also some form of arthritis. One of the most popular growing groups that are experiencing arthritis is between the ages of 20 and 30. Arthritis is everywhere. One of the main focuses is what you're eating. What are you consuming? So eating those anti-inflammatory foods is key when keeping this particular illness away. Some of the more common places that young people are experiencing arthritis is in their wrists, their knees, their ankles, and their neck. I'm going to give you 6 easy steps that you can do to help you reduce the arthritis or at least the pain or the inflammation within your body. 1, practicing yoga. 2, exercising regularly. 3, eating anti-inflammatory foods. 4, reducing your stress level. 5, controlling your blood sugar. And 6, drinking green tea. These 6 easy steps will definitely improve upon your condition. This is where you get lucky. Believe it or not, Dherbs.com has a joint formula. It will definitely improve upon your joint function, or if you're just trying to help your joint health in general, it's definitely the formula that you can use. Next question. Greetings, AD. I'm a middle-aged woman, and every now and again I experience some pain in my knees or wrists. The pain lasts for a while, but eventually goes away. Should I be concerned? Eventually, I don't experience pain, so it seems like nothing's wrong. Best, Judy. Judy, you definitely need to be concerned. Early detection of arthritis makes it easier for us to solve the problem. This is a fact. I would definitely tell people this. If you're experiencing any joint pain of any kind, definitely take the time to go see your doctor so you can get this issue properly diagnosed. Although arthritis generally is not a life-threatening issue, there are some forms of arthritis that can damage your heart or other organs. So early detection is crucial when you're trying to prevent permanent damage. I can't say this enough. Ice. And if you're feeling like ice isn't working or not as well as it should, try heat packs. That tends to work for people. Judy, I hope this helps. Everyone, thanks for watching. And if you have any questions or concerns, leave it in the comment section, or you can email us at factorfiction@dherbs.com. And lastly, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.